What's up, everybody? It's like 100 degrees tonight, 90% humidity. I got a fan in the window. Hopefully, the fan's not going to screw up the sound of the webcam. But I was talking to someone on Twitter the other day about some of the camera equipment that I'm using, and they're kind of new to riding motorcycles and looking for different camera equipment that was going to work for them. And I thought I'd do a video about some of the equipment that I'm using because I am doing this stuff on a shoestring budget, and I thought I'd share what's working for me and what I'm actually using. So as far as this video goes, I'm not going to get into a lot of frame rates and stuff like that. I don't understand that stuff yet. So if you want to ask me about frame rates and everything like that, I don't know anything about that. I'm learning as I go. I'm new to vlogging. I'm new to YouTube. I'm new to 3Speak. All I can tell you is what's working for me. But this video is really about mounting these cameras to your motorcycle and getting a halfway decent video quality, because it can be tricky. And the key to that is image stabilization software in the camera. If you have decent image stabilization software built into the camera, you're going to get a decent video quality. So when I first started shooting these videos, I was doing a lot of upgrades to the DR650, mods, stuff like that, changing out air filters, gas filters, stuff like that. I was doing it on my Samsung A20 phone, and I had that on a selfie stick. This is a selfie stick, a $9 selfie stick from Amazon. And when I'm recording tutorials or do-it-yourself videos, it basically acts as a tripod. I can set that down, focus in on the parts that I'm working on the motor. With the DR650, the motor's right here, and I could say this is the carburetor. I can kind of get in there and do stuff, what I need to do to the carburetor. If I need to change angles, I can kind of slide it over that way, like that. It's working out pretty good this way. When I'm talking, I try to talk right behind it. I don't have an external microphone for the Samsung, so I'm just kind of talking behind it or by it, but I'm always trying to be close by my phone so I get a nice level sound all the time. For the most part, it's worked out pretty well. If it's a really windy day, I can't do it outside. I have to do it in my garage, but for the most part, this is working out great. $9 selfie stick from Amazon, Samsung A20 phone, which is one of the cheaper Samsung phones. I'm an Android guy, so I swear by Samsung cameras. If you're an iPhone guy, you probably dig your iPhone camera. Outside of Samsung, I haven't had a lot of luck with cameras and Android devices, so I'm sticking with this with the Samsung A20 here for shooting the do-it-yourself videos. And the clip comes out with it. The whole clip comes out. And there's the screw that was screwed in with. And then we should be able to just pull this right out. And here's our stock air filter. That is pretty disgusting. I'm kind of mad. I drove the last couple 100 miles on this. All right, let's talk a little bit about this iTek action cam here. This was given to me as a gift. I had mentioned to somebody that I wanted to do YouTube videos and 3Speak videos, and as soon as I had brought it up, they were like, "Oh my God, I just won an action cam at the casino. I have no idea how to use it or what to use it for. So let me give it to you, and you can start, filming." And for the most part, there's no image stabilization software, so it's pretty much, there's no point mounting it to the motorcycle. I tried, it came out terrible. I will post a video clip of that, and you can see for yourself exactly how it looks. But for a camera to stick in my pocket while I'm traveling, it's absolutely phenomenal. I hit the power button, and it lights right up. It pops right open, and it's, it doesn't take long to load, and I can start snapping pictures. If I'm in a restaurant or something and I want to video some food or video something if you're using this for a video that doesn't need image stabilization, it's a great camera. It really is. Especially for $60. I can't complain at all. So for taking pictures and just doing images and video that you don't need image stabilization, this is a great camera to have in your pocket. That's how I use it. And here we are at the Cherry Ridge camping area, state of New York. This is the road end. There's already a bunch of campers here. Here's a camp spot. There's a camp spot back there. And then if you go down this road, there's about 7 or 8 different camp spots down there. Alright, the next camera I want to share with you is this Drift Ghost XL. This is a great camera. It was, at the time I bought it at the end of last season. I think I spent about $250 on it. It's down to, I think I seen it for $150 now, because they came out with the Drift Ghost XL Pro. So if you want to pay the $250, you can get the Pro. If you want to pay $149, you get the Ghost XL. This camera has a 9-hour battery life, about 6 to 9 hours, depending on how you're shooting. It shoots in wide angle format. It does have an external microphone. I love this microphone. The microphone works out great. I'm just using the microphone that came with it. I did order a dead cat for it, which is this furry thing that goes over the microphone, and this is what keeps the wind noise out and stuff when you're outside or riding and you don't want that wind sound in your microphone. You got to get one of these dead cats. The image stabilization is great. I think I already said that, but it does shoot in wide angle, and it's just a great camera for put it on your helmet. It mounts right to my helmet like this. I let the cord hang down here on the side. It comes in here. I tuck it in. I clip in the padding, and then the microphone sits right here at the mouthpiece, and I can kind of talk into that, and it works out pretty good. So I think I'm going to ride around the park for about a half hour here or so, taking more of the scenery and the sights. Beautiful ride. Really happy about this. Yeah, I camped here once before, a couple summers ago, and they're pretty nice camp spots for the most part, so I'm good with this. I'm kind of glad the park probably would have charged me $50 to camp, and whoa, almost slid out there. That would have sucked. These tires absolutely suck. I can't wait to get rid of them. Alright, so my latest camera is the Akaso Brave 7 LE. I just picked this up last week. We're at the Akaso Brave 8 now, so there's some good bargains on these. I found this one on sale for $119. I think the Brave 8 sells for about $250. So this is really nice. It doesn't have an external microphone, so it just has the built-in microphone. The sound quality is pretty good. The video quality is phenomenal. The image stabilization software is phenomenal. It does have one of these little mounts here, so that you can just mount it right to whatever you want to mount it to, like a tripod or something like that. I'm mounting it to a small rig ball arm. This thing was $14.95 on Amazon, and it basically works like a vise. You just kind of spin it out like this, and you can clamp it onto the frame or clamp it onto your handlebars. I'm using it on the DR650. I clamp it to the front right blinker, and I clamp it down there, and then it's got like a fairing, and then this kind of peeks right over the fairing, and whichever way I turn my handlebars is the way the camera turns. Again, image stabilization is great. Sound quality is pretty decent. No external microphone, so you got to deal with that. And I can also splice in the sound from the Drift Ghost XL if I want to do it that way. So I'm pretty happy with this so far. I'll post some footage of that. For the most part, this is probably going to be the last video this year that I'll do of camera equipment. If you're really enjoying these videos, leave a comment and maybe I'll do more of them. For now, it's more, it's a moto vlog. The only reason I did this video was because a lot of people keep asking me on Twitter and on different social media what I'm doing to get my footage. So I thought I'd share what's working for me. And again, this isn't really about frame rates and stuff like that. This is about getting a decent quality video off your motorcycle, mounting it to your motorcycle, and basically getting video that you can use in a YouTube video or a 3-speak video or whatever social platform that you're sharing these videos on. If you're enjoying the video, leave a comment. If you want to see more of this, I am looking to get a drone soon, and I'll definitely post a drone video. But I'm constantly buying these cameras, especially inexpensive ones as I find them, and testing them out and doing different stuff. So if you're enjoying this video, you want to see more of this stuff, post a comment and I will post more of these videos. And if not, this will probably be the last video for this season that has to do with cameras, because I'm going to start traveling pretty soon and I've got a lot of mods that I'm doing to the DR650. So if you're into that stuff and tired of this camera footage, this will probably be the end of it. You'll get mod videos now, camping videos, travel videos, because the summer weather is here. It's 80 degrees tonight, almost 90 degrees. It was 100 degrees earlier, so it's it's warm is what I'm trying to say. So anyways, I'm going to be out on the bike. I'm going to be traveling around. I'm going to be doing some camping. I want to get by some rivers and relax and some water. And so that's what you got to look forward to. If you want to see more of these videos, I suggest you leave a comment, and I'll definitely post more of them. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Peace.